Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to sort your contact in the phone book in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our sorting method, we have to go to the phone book first. So here we have to go to contacts option here. We have few contacts and our menu is hidden under these three dots here. Then we will go to contact settings, and here we have sort contacts by. As of now it's by first name. We can change it by sorting it by last name. Let's see, and it's changed. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.